couldn't see any of it, realistically.
Alright, so we got started before we did a little brief description of what we're doing. Basically, my cousin had to jet out of here, and I got one of my friends to stop by to help me scale the car, see what it actually weighs. So we didn't bring a jack with us, so we're trying to roll up on the scales. We're going to see if we can pull it off, so let's see.
Am I really on?
Yeah, all four. All the
Get
way around.
out of here. Woo! This thing's light. So, we got the car on the scales. These are the numbers we got. So, we're at 813 front left, 827 front right, 725 rear left, 658 rear right. Total 3,023 pounds. So you want to film me, and we'll see what it weighs with. We'll see what it weighs with me in it. What's the number on the scale? $31.99. What did I say before?
23. 3023.
23. So it's like in the 170s, right? 170.
174.
Oh wait, 174?
Yeah, 173. Because it's 3196 now.
Oh my gosh.
You're losing weight, dude.
I was 200 pounds before I got sick, so it just kind of goes to show. You see me?
Yeah.
So the best part about this video is that Blake said we couldn't get this on scales without ramps or a jack, and we did it. This is my helper today. This is Drake. Drake is a taken man, so ladies, watch out. Don't try and chase him too hard. But all said and done, we weighed this beautiful Z06, and it's lighter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be 4,000 pounds. I don't know what it compares to anything. So I want you guys to keep in mind that this was with like 3/4 of a tank of gas. So I don't know how many gallons of gas it holds. But I guess this is where we get it off the scales, right?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you might want to record that, so. I don't know. Oh, I know.
I could just imagine if like a cop pulled up and they're like, "Why are you on the basketball court with your Corvette?" Like, think we're doing something malicious and we're really just trying to weigh the car. Well, anyway, that's the end of this video. So